Okay, so in this video we are going to learn these comparison operators. We have seen arithmetic operators, we have seen assignment operators. So here in this video we are going to see comparison operators. So what is comparison operators? So comparison operators are the operators that we use to compare values. We have two numbers that we use in numeric values. We have two numbers and we can apply the comparison operators to compare them. Let's say there are certain comparative comparison operators. Let's first create two variables, and here I'm going to show you one by one. We have this greater than comparison operators that we use here to check if one value is greater than other. So in this comparison operators, the result will be either be true or false, right? So it will be either true or false. So if I run this program, it is true because in this case the one value x here is greater than other value, right? So this is one comparison operator. There is also a less than here. If I run this program, we are getting false this time. Why? Because x is not less than y. So this is a false. So as I said, we are either get true or false. That is only possible values we are getting as a result of this comparison, right? So there is also equal to here, but remember that this one equal to sign is for assignment operator, for assigning value, and we have to use two equal to sign to literally equal to compare the value whether they are equal or not. So if I run this program this time, we are getting false because both the values are not equal. If I make them equal, something like this here, now if I run this, we are getting true because both the values are equal. And there is also not equal to here as well. With it is not equal to, if the value is not equal, then you are getting false. Otherwise, so sorry, if they are not equal, then you get true, and if they are equal, then you are getting false. So in this case, because both the values are equal, and if we apply this not equal to comparison operator, we are getting false here. So if I just do something like this, and if I run this program this time, we are getting true because the condition is met and x is not equal to y this time, right? So there is also a greater than and equal to operator that combines greater than operator and also equal to operator. So it checks if the value is greater than or equal to another value, then we are getting true. So in this case, we are getting true because value is greater than this y, x is greater than y. We can also, it also checks equal to. So here it combines two things, greater than and also equal to. If one of that is true, if value is greater than or equal to other values, then we are getting true. Okay, so if I just do something like this time, so we are getting false because the x is not greater than y or it is not equal to y, right? There is also opposite to this greater than or equal to, which is less than or equal to, right? So if I run this, it is true because x is less than y, right? And if I do both of them 12 here, this time we are also getting true because x is equal to y. So right, that's what about this comparison operators. We have this equal to operators, then we have this not equal to, then there is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. So this is the comparison operators in Python.